Hi everyone, this is Anitha here. I'll be sharing my Methi Matar Pulao recipe today. First, let's wash the methi leaves with salt and water and keep it aside. Now I'll chop the onions. Now moving to the stove, heat a pan. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil to fry in the chilies and the methi. Add in the chilies now and saute them. Now I'll be adding the methi leaves as well. Saute them for 5 to 7 minutes until the raw smell goes. So this is after the 7 minutes. It's perfectly done. Okay, I'll be switching off the flame and letting it to cool. We'll be grinding this to a coarse paste. So I'll be adding milk to this. Milk is to overcome the bitterness. So this is the coarse paste. This is the perfect consistency. Now heat a pan. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now the oil is hot. I'll be adding mustard seeds, garam masala spices. Once the mustards pop, I'll be adding the jeera as well. Add the chopped onions, ginger garlic paste. Fry them well till the onions are translucent. Add the matar and now the ground paste to the onions. Give it a stir. So add in the coriander powder, little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and give it a nice stir and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Here you can see that all the oil is on top. Give a stir. Add 4 cups of water. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix well and give a boil. The water has come to a boil. Now I'll be adding in rice to it. Here I'm taking 4 cups of water for 2 cups of rice as I'm cooking it directly. If you're pressure cooking it, you can take 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. Stir well and cover the lid. Okay, after 15 minutes I'm checking on the rice. As you can see that it is 3/4 cooked. So I'll be letting it cook for another 10 minutes on a lower flame. Cover the lid and let it cook. This is after 10 minutes. You can see that the rice is perfectly cooked. The grains are also separated. Mix it well. And now my Methi Matar Pulao is ready. So I'll be serving this with the pomegranate raita, which I'll be sharing it now. And you can also serve this with any raita or salad. Now I'll be showing you my pomegranate raita recipe. So add pomegranate to the yogurt, some salt, and about 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and garnish with coriander leaves. So my raita is ready. I'll do the plating now. So here's my Methi Matar Pulao ready to serve. I'll be serving this with my pomegranate raita. Hope you all liked it. Do try it and share your thoughts. Thank you. Bye.